everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer Scribes. Here we make, paint, create, sew and have fun. Today we're playing with polymer clay. Polymer clay is a oven baked clay. I believe it's some type of plastic. I'll put information right here. Today we're going to be making a brain. I've made a couple of these so far. Made this one, I've made this one. I did have another small one, but I turned it into a keyring and gave it to my sister for her birthday. These you bake in the oven and they go rock hard. I've got 2 coats of varnish on these, and so that's what we're going to be doing today, because this is a weird little thing that I found I like doing. I also have a few other things that I need to bake off, so I usually fill my tray of things I need to bake off instead of baking one tiny item at a time. So I have little corn with an eye pin in. This is going to become a key ring, so once it's baked I'll pull the pin out, then super glue it back in and attach the key ring pieces. I've got corns, I've got 2 of those, and 3 peas in a pod with the eye pin. So we're going to make a brain today. To cover the brain. So what I've done is I got a huge big crumpled bit of foil. I don't know how well you can see. I've covered it in this colour, and then I blended this colour with this colour. Still have some left over, which I'll mix these 2 together to create little wormies, and then I just kind of stuck it on. So I'm going to make my foil ball. When making your foil ball, aim for a dome type shape that is flatter and slightly pointed at one end. I am putting a dark colour on the foil first. This colour is what will show through the little wrinkles and will give the brain a slightly more realistic look. Warm the clay between your hands to make it more pliable and easy to work with. Carefully use a rolling pin that is specifically set aside for polymer clay to roll it flat. I do not have one. I am using a metal water bottle. Do as I say, not as I do. Cover your foil ball and use your fingers to work the clay around to ensure it is completely covered. Here I am using the side of this tool, you could use almost anything, to create the ridge that separates the 2 hemispheres. Now mix your light pink and a bit of the darker red to create the colour of the wrinkles, making sure you warm the clay between your hands. Make sure your colours are evenly mixed and blended.
Divide your mixed clay into two so that you have an even amount for both sides of the brain. From this point you can divide one portion of the clay into four and begin rolling the long worms to form the wrinkles of the brain. This is where it is impossible to mess up. Just stick those worms on all squiggly until half of the brain is covered.
Here's our brain, and this is the brain we made earlier. Only quite a size difference, but we've got all of our little folds, which are called, word on the screen. So we're going to put this in our tray. How that can go. There. And you'll bake that according to your package instructions. Mine say place in the center of the oven for 30 minutes at 120 to 130 degrees. Bake for 30 minutes for every 6 millimeters, and to do a bake test beforehand.
The brain is now baked and cooled completely. Time to seal your brain with a varnish of your choice. Polymer clay at this stage is waterproof and can be cleaned by hand in warm soapy water. When applying your varnish to your brain, make sure to get in all the nooks and crannies. Make sure you let your varnished brain dry completely. I left this one overnight.
And here we go. This is our little brain, all varnished and complete. It can now live with these other brains I have made. Don't know why, it's just fun. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, share this video with a friend. Don't care, you do you. Anything you do below our video will help us please our algorithm overlords and help us meet new friends. And we'll see you next Sunday in another video. Bye.